Hey, good morning guys. So today we are starting today's video heading to Kai's pad. So just woke up, 8 o'clock, wait for the stuff to open. Nice. And then we're going to be cleaning the engine. Kai already pulled the motor out. Couldn't really be a part of the process, but we're going to grab a few brushes. Hopefully Kai has some gloves, and we're going to be scrubbing down the motor so it's nice and clean, wiping down everything. So we need this, I need my soda, I need some rags, and the tripod for the time lapse. Oh, by the way, this is the cut booth now. I'm constantly working on this thing. Looking really good in here. I really like it. Really productive area. Oh yeah, the Miata looks disgusting. Kind of working. Let's throw all this back here. Evo's still down. All right, got the tripod. Also trying to grab the water pump because it's the only thing I really want to swap out before we drop the new engine in. Let's hop to Kai's house. My rags. All right, so we just got here, got everything for the most part. Let's go see this motor. What up? So that's the bad news. Damn, that still got really effed up. It has a Honda manifold gasket, so we gotta reuse that. Oh, sick. And it has a thermal gasket on the old RBC too.
Yeah, I was gonna see if we wanted to reuse those.
Yeah, we're gonna reuse those because those help a lot. Dang, did it have a Tomei on it too? Nah. A boy can only dream. Damn. Look at my new baby though. Damn. I want to go through the interior. I know it's missing a glove box, and I already got one, so we already on that. But let me go put you guys on the tripod. We're gonna get to moving. Let's start with the manifold, boys. I don't even know if you guys can see me, but we are on the last bits that I want to clean off. Alright, that's it. The engine bay is pretty much done. I'll show you guys what I did in the bit. And by bit, I mean right now. Alright, so here we go. So for here, I just made sure that I cleaned off this section. I cleaned off over here. Pretty much cleaned off majority of this dirt that's sitting on top of this fuse box. Clean off all whatever you could see looking at the engine like this. I tried to get the back's still a little messy, but made sure to get all of this as well. So that's all good. Earlier you guys saw me doing the RBC. Look at that thing, dude. I cleaned the hell out of this thing. That guy looks 90% brand new. And we still have the other one somewheres. So if anybody's looking for an RBC, hit me up. If nobody hits me up, I'm just gonna end up polishing it, shaving it, making it like a show RBC. It's gonna be nasty. Also cleaned off the whole front of this because that was just caked in all the dirt that's on the ground. My bad, bro. This is my garage. Appreciate you though. So we got all of that. He took the starter out, He's putting it back together. Luckily, this guy came. I don't know if they make replica Honda intake manifold gaskets, but it's blue. It looks like it. Looks like the one I used to have. So that's sick that this one came with it. Also on the RBC, the throttle body also came with it, which is down there. Oh, it's not on here. Oh yeah, it's on the ground. Boom, this guy. I'm gonna take that out of the sun. All right, and we also clean these all up to make them look as good as possible, because, you know, I'd end up doing it anyways. Hell yeah. Oh, damn. And I need to scrub this down real quick as well. But, yeah, I know I'm not doing any of the work on the engine itself because I don't know what I'm doing. This is the old engine. Say hello. We don't know if the head's good yet. Probably get that stuff all checked out. And yeah, soon that'll be in. Just need to get a water pump. Like I said earlier, I'll be looking real good. Looking real good. So, I'm hyped. I'm gonna go clean the trans real quick and we'll be headed home. Knock it out. How I'm gonna be doing that? With this brush. All right, there we go. It's good to go. I'm gonna go pop in these plastics real quick that I took off so it's not a confusion when he has to put it back on, and be good. Let's put these things back on. Sick, dude. There it is. Plastic panels are back on. Bay looks good. Engine is almost there. Ready to drop in. That's it. Took out majority of the dirt. And that's it. That's the update for today. We're gonna swing by later tonight, but yeah. Thanks, Kai, for letting me come through. Appreciate you always. If you guys need work, dude, hit up my boy Kai, for real. Guy does good work. He does work on anything. So, you got a Lambo? Hit him, my dude.
It might take me a while, but I can do it.
He can figure it out. But yeah, that's it. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you guys haven't yet. Just subscribe. Appreciate you. And yeah, until next time.